Hi Robert, this is just a quick video response to the email you sent in, and this is trying to explain the fault to you rather than me trying to type it up. Basically, you've sent us an email in with regards to your Grundig heat pump tumble dryer. Now this model number is a GTN38250HGCW. Now, heat pump tumble dryers are not like your conventional vented or condenser tumble dryers. They have a refrigeration system instead of a heating unit. Now, this is called heat pump technology. And heat pump technology is very good in things like heating rooms, air conditioning, and everything else. But when it comes to tumble dryers, the biggest killer of heat pump tumble dryers is actually the fluff inside the machine, and this machine is a prime example of this. Now, I'm just making sure the camera is on the correct focus here. Let me explain what happens. You have an evaporator and a condenser. One of these creates the heat that goes into the drum to evaporate the water. This warm air evaporates the water and it gets warm, moist air. This then goes down through the filter system at the front, which is meant to be kept clean at all times, and also down through the ducting as well. But what happens is, over a period of time, small amounts of fluff will actually get down onto the actual evaporator at the front here. And as you can see here, there is a lot of fluff down here. If the airflow gets restricted in this area, it is unable to condense the warm, moist air back into a liquid to transfer it to the pump that will then go to the collection tray at the top. This is a common problem with a lot of heat pump tumble dryers, and what I've managed to get for you is the full workshop manual, because to fix this problem is quite a big job. You are going to have to strip the whole machine down and lift out the evaporator and condensing unit to be able to clean it properly. I will be doing a video on this shortly, and that flap didn't want to go up. Just bear with me 1 second. Now what you'll need to do is follow the workshop manual, which will show you the full procedure for dismantling the machine, gaining access to the evaporator and condenser and the other pipework, and you're going to have to take it out and thoroughly clean it. You will be amazed how much fluff has built up in there over the years. We know the machine is functioning correctly because you said the clothes are getting very warm, but it's not condensing the water at the front here. So what you're going to do is have to do some tests according to the workshop manual, and also go through the whole machine, making sure that all the fluff is completely cleaned. Manufacturers are fully aware of the dust problem that occurs with heat pump technology, and unless they're thoroughly maintained, the cycles take longer and longer to dry the clothes, and this is just a problem that occurs. Although heat pump technology is very good, if it starts clogging up with dust, then it becomes a problem. It becomes inefficient because it is unable to dry the clothes in the period of time which is needed. And when you consider heat pump tumble dryers compared to condenser dryers, a full load in a condenser dryer may only take an hour and a half. A heat pump tumble dryer takes sometimes 2.5 hours to dry the clothes. And with all that tumbling effect, it creates more dust. And sometimes these filter systems in the front here are unable to capture all the dust. And it only takes a small amount to get through to the condenser. And of course, the condenser is going to be damp because it's cold, and therefore the dust sticks to these pipes inside the actual grill system at the bottom. So I've put all the relevant information you need, including any spare parts, on this page for you, and there will be additional videos to assist you in dismantling the machine and actually doing a full maintenance job on the machine. Good luck with your repair. I hope this video explained everything for you.